Dan here, McAlpine Plumbing Products. Today I'm going to unbox our VP100E internal external air admittance valve for 110mm soil pipe. As you can see on the box, it's got the LGA quality certificate which certifies the product's high and constant quality, and it's also got the all important Made in Britain badge. So let's have a closer look. As you can see, incorporates the stainless steel mesh in the air intake, which eliminates flies and debris from entering the valve. The product complies with British standards. It's got its A-class rating. It's made from high density polypropylene, which will take temperatures from -20 up to +60. As you can see on the top there, it's got an airflow capacity of 40 litres per second, and the product can be installed above or below the flood level of other connecting appliances. So there we have it. The VP100E is good to go.